Good morning, teachers, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to tell you a story entitled Silly Monkeys. It was a silent night and no animals were awake. Suddenly, it got a voice. How long are we going to be like this? It's cold. A voice said. It was a group of monkeys on the tree. I wish we could find fire. It will help us to keep us warm. A monkey said. One monkey said, let's catch some fireflies and make fire. After all, they are fireflies. The monkeys caught some fireflies and rubbed them against some dry leaf, trying to create fire. It's not working, one of the monkeys said. I think we should rub harder. The other monkeys joined to help their friends. Above them was an old owl watching them. Finally, it spoke. You silly monkeys, that is the fireflies. It doesn't create fire. Stop wasting your time and take shelter there, said the owl, pointing to a cave nearby. You are an old owl. What do you know? The monkeys shouted in anger. They continued until they all got tired and finally realized what the owl saying was correct and moved into the nearby cave. The moral of the story is you should always listen to the advice of your elders. Thank you.